Hello, hi guys, welcome to Quadruple S Store. Yes, this is our first order video by Salma G. Yes, thank you so much for your first order, ma'am. Thank you so much. After launching Lucky Scoop video, this is our first order. Let's pack the order with love to her. Okay, let's take her scoop box and check it out. A regular scoop she has ordered for a regular scoop. Okay, let's see what and all she's going to get. Okay, let's arrange the beads. Okay, 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 done. So let's start. So first we'll go with this baby pink color. Baby pink, it goes for a tulip clip. Okay, let's take a tulip clip, a cutie clip, very cute clip. And next we'll go for two green is a heart clip. Okay, a heart clip. Let's give her this cute heart clip one, and other one will replace with this rectangular shade clip. Next, one orange, it's for floral acrylic clip. It's a floral clip. Let's give this pink color floral clip to her, cute one. And next, three yellow goes for a metal clip. Okay, metal clip, one with the silver metal clip, other two will replace it with flower lavender clip, and other one with cute handmade scrunchie. Next, a three blue is a medium size clip. Okay, three medium size clips. One will go with this ring, a cute ring, one stone ring. Next, one with this double side clip, and the other one is medium size clip. Okay, three dark pink is earring. Okay, we'll take one cute stone earring, a cute one. The other one replace with this again a earring, a silver earring. Again we'll replace with the cute black clip. Okay, this is your order, Salma G. Thank you so much for your first order, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, if you want the same orders, please WhatsApp us and DM us on Instagram also. Don't miss it, guys. Let's see your lucky with name. We will place the name like this for on your name. If it is a birthday person, so we'll place birthday person's name with photo also. Photo நம்ம நேமும் மென்ஷன் பண்ணி போடுவோம் guys, so don't miss it. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your order. Okay, so we'll just give her a free gift from us. This one to clip and one bead base later. So this is the first order. We are giving two free gifts to her. Thank you.